How one decision changed their English forever in just 21 days. There were once two best friends who shared the same classroom, the same dreams, and the same problem. They were terrible at English. Whenever the teacher asked them to read in English, their hearts started racing. They tried their best, but their reading was full of pauses, mistakes, and long silences. They understood almost nothing, and speaking English was even worse for them. Inside their minds, they imagined themselves speaking English fluently and confidently, but the moment they opened their mouths, nothing came out. Their classmates laughed at them. These two don't even know how to speak English. Time passed. Years later, something unexpected happened. Both friends were invited for a job interview, but there was a twist. The interview would be in English, and it was only 21 days away. Just 21 days. From that moment, their paths separated. Two friends, two methods, and one result. Friend number one did what most people do. He opened grammar books and memorized nouns, pronouns, verbs, and adverbs. He spent hours with a dictionary every day. For 21 days, he focused on rules, words, and definitions. Friend number two chose a different path. He didn't chase grammar rules. He discovered 7 powerful steps. These were simple habits that trained his brain to use English, not just study it. 21 days later, the interview results arrived. Friend number one failed. Friend number two passed with flying colors. Now pause for a second. What made the difference? And more importantly, can you use the same steps to transform your English in just 21 days? Before I show you the steps, let me ask you something. Do you understand English when you read it, but freeze when you try to speak? If that sounds like you, stay with me. Step 1 is the 10-minute word exercise. Every day for the next 21 days, do this exercise. Sit in your room and look around. Whatever you see, say it in English. For example, you can say, "I can see a table." You can also say, "I can see a bottle," or "There is a chair." That's it. Don't try to sound smart or force long sentences. Most learners fail because they jump too fast into complicated grammar. You won't make that mistake. Start small with single words and simple sentences. Confidence grows step by step. Step 2 is reading aloud using 3 senses. This step is a real game changer. Pick up any English book, story, or textbook. Stand in your room, close the door if you want, and read aloud. Yes, read loudly. You will make mistakes and get stuck sometimes, and that is normal. Don't stop reading. When you read aloud, your brain uses 3 senses at the same time. You see the words, say the words, and hear yourself. That is powerful learning. Do this for just 10 minutes every day. It may feel uncomfortable at first, but this habit alone can completely change your English. Step 3 is the picture method. Look at any picture from a book, your phone, or outside your window. Describe what you see in English. You can say, "I can see mountains," or "I can see the sun and trees." Simple sentences are perfect. The goal is not perfection, but training your brain to think in English. As a bonus exercise, replay your day in English before sleeping. When you do this daily, your thoughts slowly begin to flow in English. Step 4 is the pen and pencil trick. This exercise helps improve your pronunciation. Step 5 is listening to train your brain first. The more you listen to English, the faster your brain adapts. Step 6 is the mirror method. Practicing in front of a mirror builds confidence and expression. Step 7 is confidence, which changes everything. The difference between failure and success is not grammar or vocabulary. The real difference is confidence. You don't need perfect English to succeed. You need daily practice, smart habits, and confidence. Start today and give yourself 21 days. You may surprise yourself.